Non-cooperation movement, 1920 to 1922. The non-cooperation movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi on the 1st of August 1920. Idea of the movement. It was based on boycott of all government posts, boycott of titles given by the British, non-payment of taxes, Tilak's stand. Bal Gangadhar Tilak opposed Hindu-Muslim cooperation on religious grounds and believed the movement should remain secular. During the movement period, Tilak died. After Tilak's death, Tilak Fund was established. Congress session in recognition. On the 20th of September 1920, the All India Congress Committee held a special session in Calcutta, presided over by Lala Lajpat Rai, and recognized the non-cooperation movement. As a result, on the 4th of September 1920, the Indian National Congress began the movement in response to demand for Swaraj. Punjab, Jallianwala Bagh, massacre. Khilaf issue. Leaders who supported the movement: Motilal Nehru, Saifuddin Kichlu, Shaukat Ali, Dr. Ansari, Yaqub Hasan, Vallabhbhai Patel, Gopbandhu Das, Ajmal Khan, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Jawaharlal Nehru. Leaders who opposed the movement: C.R. Das, Pat Madan Mohan Malviya, and Annie Besant. Forms of protest: boycott of government-affiliated schools, colleges, and law courts. Picketing of shops selling foreign clothes. Resignation from government services. Mass civil disobedience including non-payment of taxes. National schools and colleges were set up. Panchayats were established to settle disputes. Hand spinning and weaving were encouraged. People's response. Students left government schools and colleges in thousands. Middle-class people initially led the movement but later moved away. Businessmen supported economic boycott due to benefits from Swadeshi. Peasants participated massively and formed Kisan Sabhas, for example Awadh Kisan Sabha. Women participated in large numbers, gave up purdah, and donated ornaments to the Tilak Fund. Withdrawal of the movement. In 1922, the Chauri Chaura incident occurred where people protesting against liquor sales and high food prices burned a police station, killing 22 police officials. This shocked Gandhi, who withdrew the non-cooperation movement, calling it a Himalayan blunder.